So how to write it? It is written, it has two parts. The top part, the top part is written above the line and the bottom one below the line. So the top part above the line and the bottom one below the line. Okay. Other forms can be written like this. In the beginning, it looks like this. In the middle, looks like this, and at the end, it looks like this. Can we connect them? Yes, we can, because it's a connector. But again, just to repeat that, you won't see this in the real text. Either it will have something underneath or something above. Okay, or sometimes you have this one as if it's alif maqsura, then you have to have small alif saghira on top of it. Okay, that's how we write it.